Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to fix Instagram Messenger update not working on mobile. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram application in your mobile phone, and regarding on this one, you should have this messenger icon right here on the upper right side. That means your messaging or your messenger is already updated, or your messaging options is already updated. And if your messaging option is not yet updated, just go to your profile icon right here on the lower right side. Just click this one, and this on the upper right side, click this three lines icon to go to settings and privacy, and then tap settings and privacy. And you should be able, if the messaging options is not yet updated on your Instagram, you should have on the first sentence, or first options right here, update messaging options. If you're not able to see it, just search on the search bar messaging option. You'll be able to see update messaging rather. Just search update messaging if you're not able to see it on settings and privacy. And if ever the messenger still not works in your Instagram, just go to the settings of your phone, go to storage, and look for Instagram application, offload it or uninstall the Instagram application and reinstall it back in. And that's how to fix Instagram Messenger update not working on mobile. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and update.